I started learning data, it was confusing. SQL felt like a secret language, while Power BI was kind of just strange. Come build a dashboard with me using Power BI. I started my tech journey as a data analyst, and even now, while still learning about the core parts of tech, I'm still passionate about data. I didn't grow up thinking I'd be here, but somewhere between late night, tea, and endless tutorials, I realized learning is less about talent and more about persistence. You don't have to know everything, you just have to show up again and again. There's something deeply powerful about watching data come alive, turning numbers into stories, patterns into insight. It's a reminder that progress isn't loud or glamorous. Sometimes it's just quiet focus, the kind that happens when no one's watching. Tech is not about coding. It actually isn't about coding. Tech is about transforming businesses. And I know people often say tech is hard, and it is. But what's harder is convincing yourself that you belong to it. So if you're learning right now, coding, analytics, further security, and it feels you, it's okay. You're not behind. You're becoming. Every chart, every query, every dashboard teaches me something. Not just about data, but about discipline, patience, and showing up even when no one claps for you. I used to think you had to be naturally good at something to belong in a field like tech. But the truth is, you just have to be curious enough to start and brave enough to keep going. See, you don't have to be the smartest person in the room, just the one who doesn't stop learning. And maybe that's enough. Power BI taught me a beta isn't just numbers. It's a story waiting to be told. Every data set has patterns, every chart has a habit. You just need to learn how to listen and also ask the right questions. Building dashboards is like painting. Every filter, every color, and visual choice affects how people understand information. It's not just analytics, it's storytelling with logic. Here's a tip that helps me create a simple Power BI dashboard. I focus less on making it pretty and more about making it clear, because a good design isn't about the decoration, it's about the direction. And maybe that's what I love most about data, because it reminds me that progress looks like clarity. The more you work with it, the more sense it starts to make. Data analytics isn't about perfection, it's about curiosity, asking why something happened, not just what happened. That's what makes this skill powerful in any industry. SQL and Power BI might feel overwhelming. The formulas, the visuals, the logic, but I realized something, that every expert was once a beginner who just didn't creep. And if you're learning too, start small. Build one clean dashboard. Learn one new DAX function. Progress compounds faster than you think. Because someday, the things that once confused you will be the things you now teach others. And that's when you realize that growth was happening all along. So if you're on this journey, keep learning, keep building, keep believing, because clarity takes time, but it's always worth it.